Hello everyone, so we're here from this analyze of these games here in Norway Chess 2025. So it means round number 4 of these games. So it means the time clock from this one in this round robin within chess clocks within 2 hours of this game. So it means long game from this one. So in today's round number 4, and also have between from this grandmaster in China, Lei Tingqi versus the international master in Spain in Sara Kandem from this one. So it means Lei Tingqi versus Sara Kandem. So it means who was the win of this one? So the winning from these points of this rounds here from this one. In this round number 4 today, in this part of this video, we have analyzed here of these chess games in this round number 4 in round robin in Norway chess. So white plays Lei is e4, e5 Sara, knight f3, knight c6, bishop c4, entering Socopiano, c3, knight f6 threats by pawns, and also d3 is called Yokopiasinimo variation from this one. So it means Yokopiasinimo. And also d6, bishop g5 with a pin. So these are the pinning by queen, with the queens with the threats by knights here. So it means so these are the main line is using castling king side. So it means without castling here from this one. So it means castling. So bishop g5 by Lei Tingqi, and also h6 threats by bishop, bishop backwards h4, g5 threats by bishop, bishop backwards g3, a6 by no more by bishop to b5 without use by move, and also knight pd2, bishop backwards e7. So it means with idea 2 decided to backwards. So it's backwards or maybe move here. Determinations here from this one. And also castling by Lei, castling by Sara, and also a4 by Lei Tingqi. So it means without develops here. And also knight h7. So it means none of this booklet. Novelty by Sara. So it means the old main line here is used by knight to f d7 or knight d7 here from this one without move here. So it means knight d7 is a good novelty by old main lines here from this one. So the novelty by Sara is knight h7 here. So it means these are the novelty by here from this move here, and also force king h1, queen to f6 by Sara, and also d4, bishop g4. So it means without pin. And the idea to pin, so queen. So it means without pinning by queens here from this one, and without bishop connecting here, and also captured knight takes. So it means without threatening by bishop. So it means without threats by bishop here, without targets by bishop by used by knights. And also good move bishop e2 by Lei Tingqi, without good move by Lei with a precise move. And also knight takes captured, and also rook a e8 without 8 rank by Sara, e5 captured, knight takes captured, bishop takes captured, queen takes captured. So with the idea to here to move by rook here, and or maybe rook. So these are the move with ideas here from this one. And also bishop c5, and also rook a e1 with a first rank without. These are the doubles by queens or rooks here from this one. So it means without doubles here, and also queen e6. So it means these are first marked bad move of this computer by Sara. So the best moves there is bishop to d6 without move here, without controls. So it means these are the determinations here from this one. So back there is queen e6, and also queen h5 with a precise strongest move by Lei Tingqi here, and also bishop d6. So it means late move here by Sara Kandem from this one. And also f4. So it means why? Because these are the bishops and threats by knights or defense here. Bishop takes capture, good move by Sarah. Rook takes captured with the threats by queens, and also queen c4, and also rook e1, and also king g7. So it means X move by Sarah. So it means miss move here. So the best moves there is accepting rook takes captured and rook takes captured. So it means these are the controls, or maybe without determinations here from this one. So back there is king to g7, and also captured, and also king g1. So it means bad move by Lei in g. So the best moves there is h3. So it means h3 is a best moves here from this one. So it means correct move. So back there is king to g1, and also rook takes accepting by Sarah. Rook takes captured, queen c5 check, so it means another miss move by Sarah condemned. So the best moves there is queen to a2 without threats by pawns, without doubles. So it means you decided to doubles here. So it means you decided to doubles without move here from this one. So it means these are continuations here from this one. So it means determinations. So back there is one is queen c5 check, and also good move bishop f2 by Lei Pingqi, with a good move with the threats by queens, and queen backward c6, so it means bad move by Sarah. So the best moves there is queen to d5 without movement here. So it means queen to d5 is the best moves here from this one. So back there is queen c6 by Sarah, and also bishop d4 check, and also king g8, rook to e5 with the threats by rooks or pawns. I mean pawns here from this one. And also queen to g6 without queen to queens. So it means double queens and knights and bishop. So it means bishop versus knight here from this one. So let's continue queen g6 without queen to queen, and Lei Pingqi upset, queen takes captured, pawn takes queen, and also rook to e7 with the threats by pawns. Rook f7 without rook to rook by Sarah condemned from this one. And also avoided rook e6 by Lei. So if you capture this one, if you captured, and also king takes, so it means no more rook. So it means no more rook here from this one. So back there is, so rook e6 avoided by Lei Pingqi, and also knight f8 with the threats by rooks. Rook e8, rook to f5, and rook to c8 with the threats by pawns. c6 by Sarah, and also h3, and also rook d5, rook b8 with the threats by pawns, and also b5 by Sarah here from this one. And also rook c8. So it means another bad move by Lei. So it means another bad move. So the best moves there is b3. So it means b3 here from this one. So it means b3 is a best moves here from this one. So these are continuations here from this one. So back there, this one is rook c8 and captured. Rook takes captured. Rook b5. So it means without threats by pawns. And also c4 with the threats by rooks, rook f5. So if you capture this one, so why don't we capture free pawns here from this one? And also decide rook takes captured. Threats by here with the threats by rooks. I mean threats by pawns. So it means with a threatening by pawns here. And decided this one is rook to e4. Good slightly better from whites and blacks here from this one. So back there is, so back there is rook f5 here, and also bishop to c3. So it means, bishop to c3. So bishop to c3. So it means another bad move by Sarah condemned. So it means another bad move. I mean another bad move by late king g. Sorry, so it means bishop to c3 is another bad move by late king g. So it means not Sarakandem. So I'm sorry, I got wrong names here from this one. So it means so bishop c3 is another bad move by late king g here from this one. So the best moves there is rook to captured here. So it means rook to captured. So I'm sorry from I got wrong names here from this one. I forgot my thinking here. So it means I'm sorry. So rook takes a6 is a correct move here from this one. So back there is one is bishop c3 by late king g, so it means bad move. And also a5 with the doubles, and also rook a6, so it means rook a6 here, and also rook c5 with the threats by pawns, rook a7 good move, knight to e6, and also rook e7 another good move by late king g, and also knight f4, and also another good move rook e4, king e7, and also king f2, rook f5, king g1, knight to d3. So it means knight d3. So how many clocks? 39 seconds by late king g and 38 seconds by Sarakandem from this one. So it means dying seconds here from this one. So let's continue is knight d3 here. And also rook d4 with the threats by rooks. Knight f4. I'm sorry, I got wrong. So it means without knight f4. So let's go back. So it means rook with the threats by knights. So without threatening by knights here, so it means rook with the threats by knights here without continuations here. So it means rook d4 and knight f4. So it means without knight f4 by Sarakandem, and also rook e4 by late king g, knight d3 by Sara, and also rook e3 with the threats by knights, knight b4, g3, and also rook c5 with the threats by pawns, and also rook e4 with the develops by pawns here, and also knight c2, rook e2 with the threats by knights here, knight to backwards b4 with the repeats, rook f2 check, and also king e7, and also rook f6 without develops here, rook takes captured, and also rook b6 by late king g here, and also a3, bishop f6 check. So it means blunder ratios. So it means these are lowest evaluation bar here from this one. So it means blunder ratios. Uh, Slowly I got slow my shout here from this one. So it means bishop f6 check, blunder ratios by late king g from this one. Blunder ratios by late king g here from this one. So the best moves there is rook to e7 check. So it means without continuations here from this one. So it means rook b7 check. So back there is blunderacious bishop f6 check, and good move king f7 without good move by Sarakandem here from this one. Pawn takes captured by Lei, and also knight d5. So it means these are pawns with the threats by knights with idea to forward by knights. So it means knight e5 by Sarakandem with idea to threats by rooks, or maybe with the threats by bishop without doubles here from this one. So it means knight e5 and rook to b5 with the threats by knights, knight takes bishop, and rook takes a5. So it means so rook and knight by Sarakandem, and rook only by late king g. So it means 2 versus 1 from these continuations. So rook takes a5 and also g4 captured, rook takes captured, and also king f2, king must be active by late king g here, and also g5. So it means not sacrifice here. So it means g5, and also a4, king g6 by Sara, and also rook a8 by late king g, rook to b4, a5, g4, a6, and also rook b3, and a7 without continuations, and good move rook a3 by Sarakande without good move. So it means with idea to captured. So with idea to captured, oh sorry, my mouse. So it means rook a3 without good move with idea to threats by rooks. I mean threats by pawns here from this one without threatening by pawns, or maybe without continuation, so need to capture here from this one. So it means rook a3 and also king g2, king g7, and also king h2. So it means without king h2, without terminations here from this one. So it means king must be active. And also knight h5. So it means without the idea to threats by pawns, or maybe without rooks. So it means without continuations here from this one. So it means continuations by threats. And also king h1, and also knight takes captured check, and also king g2. Then the last shot, this one is knight f5. So it means give up or resigns by late in g. So why she's give up? Because if we move by king f2, only move here, and also and also g3 check, and also king g2, and decided also knight to h2 check, and also king to h1, and also rook to a1 mating net. So it means mating net. So it means lose by white here from this one. So it means resign. So it means mating net. So I thought we're winning by late in G from this one. So it means we need two wins from this next time here from this one. So it means next time to win. So the score from this late in G is 89.5, and the score by Sarakandem in this black piece is 92.2. So the winner of this round number 4, international master in Spain, Sarakandem. So I hope this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Tawagi 17, aka iCoolMark 17. Have a good day, keep safe, and keep updates of these next chess updates. Have a good day. Bye bye.